I'm skipping in the rain, just skipping in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Hey everyone, that there is my sock. I just got home from a workout. I went running at a nearby school that has a track and some exercise equipment. And on a fine day, when the weather is nice, you might see 30 or 40 people around this time. How many people were there today? 0. I was the only one. I had the place to myself, and it was absolutely heavenly. There were puddles everywhere, and I just was running in the puddles, jumping in the puddles, just like I was a kid. And you can probably tell on my face right now, I'm absolutely ecstatic. You know, when we were a kid, or when I was a kid anyways, it didn't matter the weather. I would get outside and I would exercise with friends. I would play soccer, hockey. It just didn't matter. We didn't care about getting our clothes dirty. Simpler times back then. We were a lot less self-conscious. As we get older, sometimes we become a little more protective of ourselves, a little more civilized. We don't want to chance going out in the weather or the rain in case we get a cold. We don't want to get wet. But I embrace the weather when it gets like this. When was the last time you exercised outside in the pouring rain? If you haven't done it in a while, I highly encourage you to do it. It's totally exhilarating. You feel very free when you're outside and you're getting soaked and you don't even care. One thing I would say though, if you are going to exercise out in the rain, I would recommend wearing old shoes. Once shoes get wet, sometimes they can get smelly very easily. So have a pair of shoes that you don't really care about too much if they do get damaged or dirty, and try to get them dry as soon as possible. Leave them outside under cover or out in sunshine another day. Try to dry them out.